Hey guys, what's up? My name is the Gaming Beast and welcome to Extreme Car Driving Simulator, where you can play around as cool cars, or I think it's just one car, and then that car. And then you can you can just roam around the city in a car. So let's do this. Okay, let's drive. Free mode, let's do free. Yeah, I love this music. No! Yeah, look cool. Let's do this. Yeah, this is cool. Oh god, oh god, oh god, oh god. Ew, god. Wait, what's that? Oh no, I missed. Oh god. Whoa. This car is indestructible. Oh god. It's a bit crazy. Woo. Right, let's try and get this. Oh god. Get the car. Get the car. No. Wait. What the hell? That's so weird. What's on this prize button? Nope. Okay, let me try and sort this out. Okay, I sorted it out. And I've got better steering, which I found. Yeah! Okay, let's do this! Oh no, that went terribly wrong. No! Okay, right. Woo! Oh god! Oh god. Okay, right. Turn around. Whoa, what's this? No, thanks. Okay. Oh yeah, this is like a skateboard park. This game is really good. Flip over. Okay, right. Back. Go back. Oh man, my car's getting wrecked. I only just noticed that. Well, I need to get used to these controls. Oh god. Right, let me just change them. Okay, this is much easier. Well, a bit too fast. No. Save. Woo! Oh god. No. Oh yeah. No. No. Okay. It's kind of like Spawn in Minecraft. Come back. Oh god. I mean, like serve. Whoa! Epic flips. Okay, we're riding on the pavement. I wish that you could run people over. That would be so good. Okay, let's risk it. Risk. Oh god. Look out. Oh god. Now, people have been commenting on my videos saying play on Drive Ahead, but I can't get that on Android, so yeah, sorry about that. But come on, drive. Drive. Come on, drive. Why isn't this working? Okay, I'm out. Whew. Okay, right. In the next video, I'm gonna go on a different version of Vigario. So, oh god. Oh yeah, skid. Skid it up, brother. Okay, right. Let's drive. Oh, press wrong button. Okay, now let's go. Whew, this is hard. I don't know why it's hard. Because of the controls, right. Whoa! Try to not, don't skid. Oh god. Oh god, what the hell is that in the air? Right, have I just spin around in a giant circle? Who cares? Whee! Whee! Oh god. Right, there's something wrong there, which I'm gonna go get. Right, leave a like and please subscribe. And tell me if you want to play this again, or tell me what games, because I've only got because I'm on Android, by the way, so I can't get games like Drive Ahead, like I just said. But I will be able to get other games like Advert in 3, 2, 1. No! It was just a quick tap. So we can go up with that. But 3, 2, 1. Woo! Oh yeah, I landed safely. Oh my god. Oh my god, there's nobody driving. There's no one. Whoa, is this like a skateboarding park? I think it is. Dude. No, it's parking lot. Don't know why parking lot would be like this. Oh god. Is this it? The end of the map? Okay, let me go try and on a different mode. Okay, we are on traffic mode. No idea what that is. I think it's that. Oh god. Oh god, I'm so sorry. I'm terribly sorry. I'm just learning how to drive. Oh god, no. Can't work. Okay. Oh god, this car is strong. You blocking the road. Nobody can get past me. Unless they are good. Ah no! Hey, they even try and drive out the way. Stop! God, I'm bad at this game. Okay. Better controlling. And, whoa! That went over like a ramp. And it's still alive. There's some other really cool cars around here. Oh god. Ugh. This is gonna give me a headache. Oh my god. This is so fun. Okay. Find this on the Play Store and the App Store. Only mobile devices I've bruh. Yeah. Seen some kids play at my club where I go. If you guys could go, it's called Barrington Lads and Girls Club. Oh god. Ooh, they were close. Some controlled driving is allowed, isn't it? Sorry. Oh god. Oh, sir, could you help? Oh my god, that car is still here. How? How the hell? Slovenia. Oh, whoa, I'm skidding. Ah, oh god. Ugh. Right, can we get in there? I think. Oh god, is that a ramp? Is that a ramp? Wow, how is it going so fast? That's a bit weird. Yeah, that's a ramp. Okay, right, let's try and go up this ramp. Because if we can, it will be awesome. So, let's do this! No! Oh god! Oh god. Flip! Okay, get back. Okay. Okay. Now! Oh god, where am I going backwards? Okay, right, where's the ramp? Where's that awesome ramp of yours? Stop! Okay, that's a bit weirder. Better, but... No, that. Slovenia. Yeah, we've done it. Okay, I'll go through here. New car unlocked. Press here to drive it. Yes, please. Drive it. Drive it. Let's do a checkpoint mode just for the last minute of the video. Next video I'm going to be doing this super cool game. Nebalis or something. I don't know what it's called, but wait. Stop. Wait a minute. So I have to collect these checkpoints. So yeah, let's do this. Let it go. I'm going. Okay, this is pretty easy. Yeah. Where'd it go? Yeah, right way. Alright, where'd it go now? Help, where did it go? Oh, right, it's around here. I bet you're all showing at the screen going, it's over there! Right, where is it? Oh god, no, get away. Right. isn't tough at all. Unless you got lost. Oh, good. Okay, guys, I want a car. Yay. So, guys, that's today's gameplay video, and I'll see you later. Bye-bye. Just in the right time.